What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the best smart bidet toilets on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Kohler C3 230 Toilet Seat. The Kohler C3 230 Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat represents a revolution in bathroom technology, combining luxury, comfort, and advanced features to enhance your everyday experience. Say goodbye to the discomfort of cold water. The C3 230 features an inline heater that provides continuously heated water, ensuring consistent comfort during every use. Versatile wash modes for personalized cleansing. Enjoy personalized cleansing with both front and rear wash modes, delivering warm water for ultimate comfort. Adjust the water temperature and pressure to your liking, and choose between oscillating or pulsating spray for a tailored experience. Intuitive touchscreen remote control. Take control of your toilet experience with the touchscreen remote control, which offers convenient access to all functions. With 2 programmable user presets, you can easily customize settings to suit your preferences. Hygienic stainless steel wand with UV light. Maintain optimal hygiene with the stainless steel wand, equipped with an automatic UV light for thorough sanitization after each use. This ensures a clean and hygienic experience every time. Adjustable heated seat and LED nightlight. Experience ultimate comfort with the heated seat, complete with adjustable temperature settings to suit your preferences. Number 2. Woodbridge Smart Toilet. The Woodbridge B0960S Smart Toilet brings a new level of comfort and hygiene to your bathroom experience. This ADA-compliant toilet is designed with user-friendly features that enhance convenience and cleanliness. The Woodbridge B0960S stands out with its 17 to 1/8 height from the floor to the seat. This comfortable seating height reduces strain, making it easier to sit down and stand up. Whether you have mobility concerns or simply value comfort, this toilet's design aims to accommodate your needs. Hygienic excellence. The Woodbridge B0960S prioritizes hygiene with its range of wash options, including posterior wash, feminine wash, and pulsating wash. You can personalize your cleansing experience with adjustable water pressure, all while benefiting from the use of hygienic filtered water. Hands-free convenience. The toilet's automatic flush feature takes convenience to the next level. As you leave, the seat activates a self-cleaning bidet spray wand, followed by a powerful flash. This hands-free operation adds a touch of modernity to your bathroom routine. Smart sensor technology. The Woodbridge B0960S embraces smart technology with its auto open and close lid. Number 3. Kohler Caring Elongated Toilet. The Kohler Caring Elongated Toilet stands as a testament to modern innovation, offering a blend of convenience, comfort, and advanced features that elevate your bathroom experience. The Kohler Caring sets a new standard for smart toilets with its intuitive touchscreen remote. This remote gives you complete control over your preferences, ensuring that your toilet experience is tailored to your exact needs. Comprehensive bidet functionality. Say goodbye to traditional toilet routines. The Kohler Caring is equipped with bidet functionality that includes cleansing, air drying, a heated seat, and a self-cleaning wand that ensures optimal hygiene after every use. This comprehensive suite of features redefines personal comfort and cleanliness. Nightlight for added convenience. Navigating your bathroom in the middle of the night becomes effortless thanks to the LED nightlight that illuminates the bowl. This thoughtful feature adds a touch of convenience to your nighttime routine. Motion activated for a seamless experience. The Kohler Caring anticipates your needs with motion-activated technology. The toilet seat opens and closes automatically as you approach and leave, offering a seamless and hands-free experience. Number 4. Duravit Sensowash Starck Toilet Seat. The Duravit Sensowash Starck F Shower Toilet Seat redefines luxury and functionality in the realm of bathroom fixtures. Designed to provide an unparalleled experience, this seat combines innovative features, advanced technology, and the renowned design expertise of Philippe Starck. The Sensowash Starck F boasts the signature elegance and precision associated with Philippe Starck's designs. Its Starck 3 white L pin finish seamlessly integrates with various bathroom aesthetics, creating a visually appealing and cohesive look. Smart remote control and power-actuated features control your toilet experience effortlessly with the included remote control. The power-actuated lid and seat add a touch of convenience, ensuring that the seat opens and closes seamlessly with minimal effort. Versatile wash options. Experience superior hygiene and comfort with the rear, front, and oscillating wash options. The individual adjustment of water temperature, seat surface temperature, and nozzle position allows you to tailor your cleansing experience to perfection. Quick release for easy maintenance. Maintaining your toilet seat is hassle-free with the quick release feature. Number 5. American Standard Toilet. The American Standard Advanced Clean 100 Bidet Bidet Toilet redefines modern bathroom luxury with its seamless combination of bidet functionality and cutting-edge design. This auto-flush toilet not only boasts sleek lines, but also offers a soothing bidet cleansing experience. The highlight of the Advanced Clean 100 Bidet Bidet Toilet is its heated bidet seat equipped with dual nozzles. These innovative nozzles direct a gentle stream of warm water to both front and rear areas, ensuring a thorough and comfortable cleansing experience. This feature is particularly beneficial for expectant and new mothers, providing relief from the discomforts associated with pregnancy and postpartum. Unparalleled hygiene with self-cleaning nozzles. Maintaining hygiene is effortless with the self-cleaning nozzles of the Advanced Clean 100. These nozzles are designed to clean themselves both before and after each use, ensuring optimal cleanliness and peace of mind. Instant warm water for on-demand comfort. Say goodbye to the shock of cold water during those intimate moments. The Advanced Clean 100 offers instant warm water on demand, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing cleanse without any discomfort. Convenience at its finest. The Advanced Clean 100 Bidet Bidet Toilet is engineered for utmost convenience. Auto-open, close seat, no more juggling with toilet seats. The seat automatically opens when you approach and closes when you're done, adding a touch of modern elegance to your bathroom routine. Auto flush. Bid farewell to manual flushing. This smart toilet takes care of flushing automatically, making your experience hands-free and hassle-free. Sleek design, complementary to every bathroom. Beyond its functional excellence, the Advanced Clean 100 boasts a stylish design that seamlessly integrates into any bathroom decor.
Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.